talking about ethical implications of information technology, IT, biotechnology, and non-technology in very brief. As we know, IT is the use of computer and telecommunication equipment to create and to store and to process information, and there is a exchange of information in IT. So IT has many ethical implications. First one is, of course, the privacy. Then IT can be used to collect and store a large amount of personal information about the people, which raise concern about their privacy, their security. IT system can be vulnerable to hacking and cyber attack, which can have serious consequences. So, so rather than privacy, the security, IT security is another concern. Then we have bias. IT system can be biased, which can lead to discrimination against certain group of people. That can create a lot of trouble. People may get trouble. People may trouble others due to the false biasness. Then there is intellectual property. IT can be used to create and distribute copyrighted materials without permissions, which raises concern about intellectual property rights. Then child safety. IT can be used to expose children to harmful content such as pornography and violence. So these are some of the ethical implications of information technology and if talking about biotechnology in the next, and it is related to information technology. Then related to biotechnology. Biotechnology is what? It is a use of living organism to create new products to improve existing ones. And biotechnology has many ethical implications. First is genetic engineering. Genetic engineering can be used to modify the genes of a living organism, which raises concern about the safety and ethics of the practice. So second is cloning. Cloning biotechnology can be used to clone animals and humans, which raises concern about the ethics of the practice. It is not ethical to create, it is unnatural. So, about genetic testing, biotechnology can be used to test people for genetic diseases, which raises concern about privacy and discrimination. So, it can also be helpful, but these are some of the ethical concerns we are discussing about. Then, stem cell research, biotechnology can be used to research stem cells, which raises concern about the ethics of this practice. Then there is pharmaceuticals. Biotechnology can be used to develop new pharmaceuticals, which raises concern about safety and cost of drugs. So after the biotechnology, let's move to the non-technology. So non-technology is a term used to refer the use of non-technological means to solve problems to achieve our goals. Non-technology has many ethical implications, including non-technology can be used to promote sustainability, which is the practice of meeting the needs of present day without compromising the ability to future generation to meet their own needs. Then we have, of course, social justice. Social justice, non-technology can be used to promote social justice, which is fair and equitable distribution of social resources and opportunities. Then we have peace building. Non-technology can be used to build peace, which is absence of war and the presence of justice, freedom and respect. Then we have human rights, education, environmental practices. So it is important to consider the ethical implication of all technologies, including IT, biotechnology, and non-ethical. By doing so, we can help to ensure that the technologies are used in a responsible and ethical way. So I think that's enough for today. Thank you.